Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Bhubaneswar? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Bhubaneswar. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Arohan Classes. Arohan Classes is the leading coaching center in Bhubaneswar and know how to help or guide their students on the right path. They cater many excellent and remarkable coaching for the various competitive examinations. The fee structure falls under the nominal nature. The study booklets are proper and excellent with the perfect content, especially according to the examination. Moreover, the faculty is the perfect team of well-skilled educators. Now let us discuss the contact details of the institute. So, the address of Arohan Classes includes first floor commercial complex Acharya Vihar near Acharya Vihar, Pani Tanki, Bhubaneswar, Odisha 751013. The contact number of the institute is 0955-686-5974. Now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So, the batch size of the institute is 20 students per batch and the fee structure includes a sum of rupees 7,000 for 6 months. At rank 4, we have RCB Academy. RCB Academy was established in 1995 and this is the only teaching institute which follows the pattern of chapter-wise teaching. This academy provides an excellent and remarkable atmosphere for the study and brilliantly guide their students on the right path with excellent strategies. Furthermore, the institute offers coaching for many other competitive examinations like banking, SSC, railway, and they also provide online exam practice for the same. Now let us talk about the contact details. So, the address of the RCB Academy includes 1503C Acharya Vihar, Bhubaneswar, Odisha 751013. The contact number is 0943763162. Now let us discuss the fee structure and the batch size. So, the fee structure of RCB Academy includes a sum of rupees 15,500 for 8 months and the batch size of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. So friends, the last institute we will be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is IBS Institution. IBS Institute is one of the best platform for your SSC preparation and offers coaching for other competitive examinations as well. This is the perfect blend of professionalism and right guidance. IBT Institute is built for your competitive examination. The team of faculty is very highly experienced and the study materials are top notch. IBT provides conceptual clarity coaching for each subject. Now let us talk about the other details of the institute. So, the address of IBS Institution includes near Bata Showroom 63, Katek Road, Kalpana Square, Buddhanagar, Bhubaneswar, Odisha 751006. The contact number of the institute is 093388662228. Now let us talk about fee structure and the batch size. So the fee structure of IBS Institute is a sum of rupees 10,000 for 4 to 5 months, and the batch size of the institute is 12 to 15 students in a batch.